My name is Claire James Ezine. I'm a student of Abia State University, third year student studying political science. And I hail from Abia State, Umania, Ubakala South local government. Actually, I joined in this great friends because I made new friends today, get to know new people. And me joining in this quest is not just because I felt like joining it or because I just want my face to be out or just want my name to be on the magazine. Actually, I wasn't born and bred in the East. I was born in Lagos, but I was bred in Ghana. So I noticed that even if I want to start doing something in other places, I should start from my land, because I am also an inspiring a counselor. Though I might look young, but I am a counselor and also a networker of Norland Company at Ikeja and a model of the M26 international model. I'm one of their models. So I'm versatile in some languages. I speak 5 fluent languages. So, but I'm having this problem of speaking my own language, and I was just like, gosh, what's happening? And I decided to, like, even if I want to school, there are big schools, there are nice schools, and also great schools in the West and outside Nigeria I can go to, but I just decided to come to my state. And I thought, let me just start from the grassroots, that thing that my parents excluded in my life. Let me just pick those pieces and make it something. And joining this other indie pageant something, though I'm having problem speaking the language, but joining this this pageantry, this graceful open pageantry, is not just because I'm jobless or I don't have other pageantries to join, but I just said, let me just fit myself in this cultural pageantry. I think to help youth, I'm also youth like me, to know that our language, our culture is more important. Before embracing other culture or other way of life, let me first appreciate where I come from. And I'm also trying to use this medium to say, even we don't know who the winner is going to be yet, but we're just trying to say we're not going to make use of that post in a very, very nonchalant manner. We're going to make use of it, make people know the reason why we are given that crown, make people know the reason why we are called that name, and also let people learn from us and be like, there's so lady in this city and I want to be like her, and also be an example to the young girls. So thank you very much.